everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we are diving into a fascinating problem from the MIT Integration B exam 2024, and this problem is from quarterfinal 1. So let's see the problem. So the problem says integration of ln x into inside the brackets x by e to the power x plus e by x to the power x dx. So first pause the video and give it a shot, then you can come back later and see the whole solution. So I hope that you would have given it a serious try, and let's see how to solve such kind of problems. So if you see this expression and if you think that you should go by parts method, then you should stop and take a pause and think that if you choose this as the first function, then will its differentiation will be an easy thing to cater, integrate or not, right? And if you choose it as a second function, then integration of it, of course, it looks cumbersome, right? It is not in a very integrable format. Then how do we proceed? So we think to proceed by the substitution method. So what will you substitute? So then generally in substitution, what we substitute is a cumbersome expression, a difficult expression to handle, to integrate, and make it a variable. Call it t, y, whichever you would like to. So let's substitute x by e to the power x as t, and if you closely observe, then that e by x to the power x is nothing but 1 by t, right? All right. And how to differentiate it? So for differentiating it, you need to take first logarithm. But why? Because you see the base is x and the power is also x. So you need to first take the logarithm to bring this power in the product format, and then you can simply apply the product rule of the differentiation to take the derivative. So here using the product rule of differentiation, and the differentiation of x ln x by e is simply x into derivative of this thing, 1 by x by e into 1 by e. And then the derivative of x is 1, then ln x by e stays the same, dx is equal to 1 by t dt, that is ln t. All right. So if you see this thing, this x and this x will cancel, this y, e, sorry, this and this e will cancel, and that will become 1. Okay. So now this t goes here and that becomes x by e to the power x. As you can see, that value of t is x by e to the power x, and that is nothing but 1, right? This is 1, so ln x by e plus 1. Now how did I write this? It is very simple. If you see, this is ln x by e, that is ln x minus ln e, right? And ln e is 1, so minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Okay. So as you can see that we know how to convert dx into dt format. Okay. So ln x and dx will be consumed, and this will be the extra term. So that will come here only. And now I think that I should have kept it 1 by t here only, because if you see, let me show you the next steps, that this will come here and that will be 1 by t dt. Let me tell you, like this guy will come here only, because these things will be forming the merger. They will merge. Okay, this and this will merge. Okay, so that will give us integration of t plus 1 by t into 1 by t dt. Now you can simply take the product and then integration of 1 dt plus integration of 1 by t the whole square dt. Then simply take the integration. How? Integration of 1 by dt, you know it's t. Integration of 1 by t the whole square dt is simply the basic formula, that would be minus 1 by t. And do not forget this constant of integration. Now the problem is not yet solved. We need to do the back substitution, because the problem was originally in terms of x. So we need to go to x domain. Okay. All right. So x by e to the power x is equal to t. So now we need to substitute the t. So if you put t as x by e to the power x, then you get your final solution, which is x by e to the power x minus e by x to the power x plus c. So if you like this problem, do comment down, and thank you for watching.